Our next speaker has ran a small business for the past 15 years. He's a father of 2 children. He's a 3rd-generation union coal miner making his first run for political office. Please welcome the Republican nominee for State Senate, Mike East. Mike.
Thank you. It is a pleasure to be here, and I tell you, it is a pleasure and an honor to be on stage with all of these wonderfully talented men and women, and I genuinely mean that. I'm not a politician. This is my first run at it. I've gotten a good taste at what these guys go through. Whew! It's going to be rough, guys, I tell you. But listen, we did leave one little thing out. Well, not a little thing. We didn't say the Pledge of Allegiance to the flag, so I'd like to take a minute or two, if you don't mind, stand and cover our hearts and lead everyone in the pledge, if that'd be all right. Is that appropriate, gentlemen? Actually, the governor probably should do this instead of me.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you, Governor. I appreciate that. Okay, like I said, I'm new at the game. You'll see the first 2 things that I've done, and it was completely unintentional, were completely bipartisan. Thank you. I appreciate that. This is what it's going to take to fix this wonderful state and nation that we live in. We've got the greatest state in the greatest nation on the face of the earth. No doubt about it. Where else, for the last 8 years, I've been out there with everybody else, all of you, talking to these wonderful men and women, trying to raise some issues that I'm very passionate about. It hasn't been getting done in the way that I think it should be gotten done. So I took my $200, I filed. Here I am, the Republican candidate for the 2nd District Senate. A lot of my friends say, with no experience and where you come from and your background, it's kind of hopeless. You're up against a lot of money, a lot of expertise, and a man that's been in office for many, many years. What I tell them is that doesn't matter to me. I'm here for some very basic and simple reasons. The children of the state of Kentucky need to be treated better than they're being treated. The issues that I'm based my campaign on are what I've been working behind the scenes politically for 8 years. They're very controversial. They can cost a politician their career. I have no career. I'm not worried about losing it. So let's get right to the chase. Our children are suffering way more than they need to at the hands of the vicious battles that are raging in our divorce courts. We can do better than that in this country. We have kids move thousands of miles away from one parent, all the family, the church, the schools. No one is addressing these issues because they're hotbed issues. They're tough. I dealt with these for the last 25 years. I went through a divorce with and was separated from my kids for 7 years. That's what led me to this stage. I notified my opponent, Bob Leeper, that I was going to run against him on my daughter's birthday. And that means a lot to me. That's why I'm here. I'm here for my kids. I'm here for your kids. I don't care if I get beat up. What I'm here to do is to figure out some way to make a lot of things that are so hard on our children easier. We've got to figure out how to keep both parents and all the family involved in a meaningful, active relationship with the kids. This goes across party lines. It goes across party lines. It goes across religious lines. It goes across everything. Our children are the future of this state. Now, I've got a lot, like I say, these issues are complicated. I couldn't stand up here in 3 hours and give you all the details. Come talk to me. Go to my website, MikeEast.com. Everything's going to be simple. My buddy Gerald's telling me I'm out of time. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.